This will be a pretty short video because it's a pretty simple formula. We're going to be looking at the cost of leasing a car. So we're looking at a formula that has D as the amount due at signing. So when you lease a car, you give a certain amount of cash. You also pay an acquisition fee, which is A. Then you have a monthly payment, and you multiply that by the number of months of the lease. And then if you use excess miles, you need to add however what the fee is for excess miles times the number of miles over the limit. So this we're going to be given their due at signing, we're going to be given their acquisition fee, their monthly payment, and on the first one you can see that they have a mileage allowance of 36,000. They only plan to drive for 30,000, so they're not going to go over, so you don't have to worry about adding anything. The second one, you can see that the mileage allowance is 21,000 miles and they plan to drive 24,000 miles. So that one you'll have to do the 0.25 times the number of miles they went over. So again, you're going to subtract the allowance from the mileage to find out how much they went over.